Good morning to all. Now we will discuss about the PN junction diode. What is PN junction? Normally we have two types of semiconductor material. First one is the P-type semiconductor material and next one is the N-type semiconductor material. When we combining a P-type semiconductor material into the N-type semiconductor material is known as the PN junction. Next one is the N-type semiconductor. Here we are adding a pentavalent impurities to the pure semiconductor material is known as the N-type semiconductor material. Here pentavalent means 5 electrons at the outermost orbit of the impurities atom. Here the 4 electrons of the germanium atom is combined with the 4 electrons of the arsenic atom. The remaining one is the free electron which is used to increase the conductivity of the material. So next one is the P-type semiconductor. Here we are adding a trivalent impurities to the pure semiconductor material is known as the P-type semiconductor. Here trivalent means 3 electrons at the outermost orbit of the impurity atom. Here the 4 electrons of the germanium atom is combined with the 3 electrons of gallium atom. The remaining one is the hole. This is known as the P-type semiconductor. Next one is the depletion region. The depletion region is also known as the depletion layer. The combining of electrons and holes depletes the holes in P region and electrons in the N region. In P region, the majority carriers are holes. In N region, the majority carriers are electrons. Normally, we have two types of biasing, forward biasing and reverse biasing. In forward biasing, we are connecting positive terminal of the battery to the P region and negative terminal of the battery to the N region. In reverse bias, we are connecting negative terminal of the battery to the P region and positive terminal of the battery to the N region. Next one is the forward biasing. Here we are connecting positive terminal of the battery to the P region and negative terminal of the battery to the N region. Here the positive terminal repels the holes towards the N region and negative terminal repels the electron towards the P region. So there is a lot of electron hole pair is generated. The result is lot of current flows through the device. Next one is the reverse biasing. Here the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P region and positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N region. The holes are attracted towards the negative terminal and electrons are attracted towards the positive terminal, which increases the depletion layer with even though there is a small current flows through the device due to the heat energy which breaks the bond when we increasing a reverse voltage which increases the reverse current. Next one is the characteristics of PN junction diode. There is a no current flows through the device until the diode obtains the 0.3 voltage. When the diode obtains the 0.3 voltage which increases the forward current gradually. Here the barrier voltage is nothing but the 0.3 voltage for germanium. In reverse biasing, the potential barrier is increased. When we increasing the reverse bias voltage beyond the value is known as the breakdown voltage. Here when we increasing the reverse bias voltage which increases the reverse current gradually.